guess it's coming. It's rolling fast. Oh, no. I hope there's a tornado warning, but I hope it's not very dangerous. Yeah, the grass is so green. Well, except for out there. I'm going inside. We have the chair.
You get away from the window. Oh, there's a shed. What shed? The shed will open. Oh, it's fine. There's bricks and stuff in there.
The cows are going downhill. I hope now.
Scared, Whitney?
I'm kind of, but like.
I'm scared for Mal.
We're not gonna die. It's.
I'm taking a picture too.
Yeah.
It's just gonna rain hard. Look, it's gonna pass us. It's going that way.
I know. I wish it didn't pass us.
Those outside lights. We don't need
Oh yeah. Oh, now it's really dark in here. I need to shut up.
Oh, look, Whitney. It's gonna miss us. It's gonna just.
I'm not scared, Andrea. I want it to come towards us. I want it to rain hard on our house. Yeah, but I don't want our house to get destroyed, so. Yeah. It's so dark in here, you guys. Well, the power hasn't gone out yet. It probably won't go out, though. Yeah, it looks bright outside right now on my phone, but really it is super dark. It's super dark. Well, it's not super dark, but it is dark. It's not as dark as when I woke up one morning and the clouds were just so... Oh, the window. It, like, went in a little bit. And that one time when the windows bended in really far. Oh man, I want to take a trash bag out there and go stand there and make it blow me away. Just a little update. It's not missing us. It's not gonna miss us. It's coming for us. It is coming. When we were kids,
It doesn't look. It's not even raining.
when we were kids, when it got dark out like this, my dad would go like, ooh.
Oh, it's raining heavy at your house.
Oh, we're gonna get it.
Oh, it's not even raining.
Yeah. Oh, look at the grass.
The cows kind of. We don't like them.
Yeah, like it just instantly got bad, didn't it, Andrea? It just instantly got bad. I remember one time me and my brother ran over to the middle of the yard where Dad was working. It was just, and then we were like, oh, we gotta get back there before it starts raining. So we started running, and then right when we got to the porch, it started pelting down rain, and it started thundering and lightning. Yeah. Anyways.
Yeah.
You do not know how dark it is right now in this house. The clouds are like swarming around over there. Maybe you can't tell on here, but it's like they're like swarming around. I need to get a better hold of the camera because like it's shaking. Because I'm shaking. I will admit it. I'm a little bit scared, but not really. It's not that bad. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, I never even noticed like the blueness in the clouds. That is so weird. Little update. I have my flashlight on. Let's brighten some of the pictures. It's
I thought somebody was coming across the yard like Grimmy.
I think we're going on.
Run away now.
Yeah, I'm dropping quiet. I'm not freaking out. Whoa. Oh, you guys again. Okay. So, yeah, I know. So, the storm's passed over. There it is, but it's still kind of raining out. I just have this raindrop falling beneath my eye. Yeah, it's really cold out here. But it's pretty. Like, I'm gonna get some snapshots. Okay. Maybe we should give him kind of a warm bottle. I have goosebumps on my legs. Do you dare me to run over to Grandma's? I will. But another storm is coming. There's lightning. I have no shoes on, so I'm gonna walk on the bricks. Where's Mal? There comes Mal. Oh, I think he's still dry. You're still dry, aren't you? He was on the porch the whole time, and I was just staring at him like, oh, don't die. You better hurry. I'm just gonna put... Okay.
Really hard.
It's already on, Andrea.
You gotta just turn it on really hard.
Oh my gosh. Can't we just fill it up inside? Oh no, I got it. Oh. You guys are seeing whatever I see. If it gets really bad again, I'm gonna make an LPS skit. Like, I don't know. I'm just gonna make a really quick skit. It's probably only gonna be like 2 minutes long. But I am walking right now. The cafe. Bye. Starting to rain again. I'm gonna go under this. I'm gonna go under the tractor. I won't like go under. Okay. It's so cold out here. I don't know why I'm whispering. Oh, I'm so cold. I'm not entirely under the tractor. It's cold. I'm going deeper in. There we go. I need to get away from the storm. This is kind of stupid though because if lightning strikes it, I'm getting out. I know a different place to go. I'm under the chicken coop right now. There's Walmart. We gotta hurry, Andrea, before it comes and gets us. Hey, where's the dogs at? Oh! I have psychic powers. I took a test and it said I had psychic powers. Oreo, come here. Oh no, they're dog food.
It's okay, we'll give you some more.
Okay. Oreo. Coco's at Grandma's. She's probably lounging under the porch over there. Let's see how the chickens are doing. They're probably all disturbed. Oh, the bunnies. Pictures. Aw, how cute. And then there's the chickens over there. They petting them and they don't care. Oh, dude, that one tried to.
You're winning. Shut the phone right now.
Okay, I'm shutting it. The bunnies never let me pet them. It's time to go inside. Okay, I'm back inside, and I'm just gonna end the vlog here. But I will, if it gets bad out, I will get some more footage, and then I'll just edit that into the video. So, bye guys. Holy crap! Holy crap! Come on, Mal.